Good morning, students. Yesterday we have discussed aldol condensation and some examples we have solved on board. Then Cannizzaro reaction. I am solving problems related to Cannizzaro reaction. Yesterday, first Cannizzaro reaction main point what aldehyde should not have alpha hydrogen. Such type of aldehydes will participate in Cannizzaro reaction. Aldol condensation, aldehyde or ketone which is having alpha hydrogen will participate in aldol condensation. Okay. Yesterday I have done some examples. Now I am taking some more examples. Observe. Yesterday I have done DC double bond O D NaOH. This already over. Then HC double bond O D NaOH taken I have done. Now I am doing example HC double bond O D in presence of NaOD. This what are the products he will ask. So what are products, tell me, who will attack? This is base catalyzed reaction Na plus OD minus. OD minus will attack here. OD minus attacks means what happens? HCO minus OD here D. Then what happens? HC double bond O D. Hydride shift takes place. This hydride shifted here. When hydride shifted, HC here one more H. This negative charge comes here. Already mechanism I explained yesterday, no need to explain again. Here D plus this compound, how can I write? C double bond O, C double bond O, OD, here D. Then what happens? So this negative charge there, O minus, it will abstract that D plus. When it abstracts that D plus, what happens? It will give HC OD, here also H, here D plus D C double bond O minus comes. So plus Na plus will give DCOO Na. So what are products here? D C double bond O Na plus, what is that? CH2D OD. CH2D OD means CH3 OH like CH2D OD comes. Okay, this is mechanism involved in a reaction. He will ask products. So you already have learnt basic mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction. With the help of that I have written all these. Okay, next one is, write down, copy it. Now suppose if I take example, he will ask you in exam question CHO, OH minus he will give, or NaOH he will give, NaOH. So what is answer? So you solve through mechanism. C double bond O H, C double bond O H, OH minus what it will do? This is OH minus. OH minus will attack here, any one carbon attacks. So here OH, O minus H, C double bond O H. Then what happens? Negative charge migrates here, hydride shifted over this carbon, bond migrates. Then how can I write? C double bond O, here OH, hydride shifted na? Or otherwise I will write this side only. Why should I confuse you? Then hydrogen migrated na? Here hydrogen, C double bond O I am writing CO minus, here hydrogen. When this hydride shifted, carbon how many hydrogen will carry? 2 hydrogens. That's why like this. Now this O minus will abstract proton. Finally it will give C double bond O minus, C OH, here H, means this compound giving COO minus CH2OH. Okay, COO minus means after Na plus takes COO Na. Exam, he is giving this question from benzene. He is starting from benzene. Ozone takes A, then OH minus B. He is asking like this. Benzene on ozone analysis gives glyoxal. This gives COONA CH2OH. If you add acid, what happens? COONA becomes COOH. Here also CH2OH comes. This conversion he had asked somewhere, I have seen. Okay, you note down. Next. Sorry. Okay, write down. Next one is, suppose in exam question given pH C double bond OH, C double bond OH given, H given, means CHO groups. He had asked now OH minus added. What happens? Key point what? Base nucleophile. Here OH minus is acting as nucleophile. It will attack which carbon? Tell me. That carbon which is carrying more partial positive charge. Which carbon carrying more partial positive charge? This carbon. So, and also trick to solve Cannizzaro reaction, what I have said, OH minus, where it attacks, that will be oxidized. So, OH minus where on that carbon it attacks, that will be oxidized. I will prove that also. So, answer directly I am writing pH, CH, OH, then here COO minus comes, means COONA comes. Observe how I am doing now. pH, C double bond 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, this hydrogen I should not have written. You erase it. Hydrogen extra I added. Okay, I have written wrong reactant. Now corrected. Check. Now C double bond suppose H I have written here. OH minus will attack here. Now pH C double bond CO minus H, here OH coming. This OH attacked on this carbon, so OH carbon bond formed, H that side there I have written this side. Now what happens? Tell me. C double bond also I am writing like this. Now this hydride migrated here, then bond migrated like that. pH CO minus, here hydride shift takes place, then C, this negative charge migrates, this negative charge migrated, then hydride migrates, then OH, suppose OH I will write this side for my better writing over board. C double bond O, negative charge abstract this proton, then what happens? pH, CH, OH, here C double bond O minus comes. This on addition of Na plus, what will it give? pH, that CH I am writing like this, OH, here down COONA. HCl added means Na is replaced by H plus. Like that also he is giving in question. CH, OH, HCl add minus NaCl will go, H plus will attack that, so COOH comes. Okay, like this conversion, these questions are asking in exam frequently, so you practice them properly. Okay, note down this question. Next. Now next question is, write down, suppose if we give in exam CHO, CHO, we will give OH minus, what happens? So what is answer? Tell me. One is oxidized, one is reduced. Means COO Na. Suppose if I give NaOH, then here CH2OH will come. Then if you add HCl, what happens? It will give C double bond OH, CH2OH. Okay, like this. Sometimes he is asking a question, heat it. When you heat, what happens? HCl there in solution. In presence of acid, heated means esterification takes place here between alcohol and carboxylic acid. It will give C double bond O CH2. Okay, like this he is asking question. Write down. Next, note down this. Next question. In some entrance exams, this question given. He is asking this question. Observe. Question asked is NaOH first step, then second step. Here A HCl heat symbol given, B asked. So how will you do? NaOH added means A, I am writing A. One becomes oxidized, other becomes reduced. Okay. Now what happens? NaOH there, HCl there, COO Na. First here COO Na comes A. HCl there means NaCl removed. NaCl removed, COOH comes. Then COOH, here CH2OH. Then heat it. What happens? Water molecule removed. So finally it will give that is benzene ring. You once see carefully. CH2O, C double bond O, bond formed. Here what happened? Here I can write C double bond O, OH. Water molecule removed, oxygen carbon bond formed. So final answer B came here. Okay. So HCl added means this product comes. If you heat it, what happens? Water molecule removed here. Here OH, H removed as water, finally this product will come. Next. Now, suppose if I ask you a question, suppose question I forgot, I will give you from my book, write down. What is that question? Write down this question, previous year JEE question. CHO, here also one CHO, here also one CHO, here also one CHO. Then he had given OH minus. Then he added HCl. What happens? Tell me. So here when you added OH minus, one CHO oxidized, one CHO reduced. So I can write here COO Na. Here CH2OH. Then here CH2OH. Here COO Na. When I add HCl, what happens? If I add HCl, it will give COOH. Here CH2OH. Then here CH2, I will write this space not supporting OH. Here CH2OH. Here I am writing CH2OH. CH2OH I am writing here. Here C double bond OH. When you add HCl, Na plus replaced by H plus. Suppose if you give heat symbol given means remove water. If you don't give heat symbol, restrict there only. Okay. So like this you will frame questions. Cannizzaro reaction. Write down. Suppose if I give you three products, three reactants. A, B, C. Arrange the following compounds in decreasing order of their reactivity with Cannizzaro. Decreasing order of their reactivity towards Cannizzaro reaction. Again repeating, arrange the following compounds in decreasing order of their reaction towards Cannizzaro. Cannizzaro reaction, first step what? Nucleophile attacks carbonyl carbon. Carbonyl carbon means that carbon should be more partially positive. More partially positive carbon which a compound have NO2 electron withdrawing group, electron donating group. This compound have more partial positive carbon. So B, then A, then C. Like this also he will ask question. Already this model solved starting classes. Arrange the following compounds in decreasing order of their reactivity towards nucleophilic addition. That model question. Okay. Next question. Write down this. One more important point is chloral. Chloral means trichloroacetaldehyde. This is chloral. When you add OH minus, what happens? It will give, when you add OH minus, it will attack here. When it attacks here, see Cl, 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 here C, OH, this will go here and then hydrogen. So OH formed. Now this hydrogen involved in hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen involved in hydrogen bonding. So when hydrogen involved in hydrogen bonding, actually in Cannizzaro reaction what is happening? Hydride H plus internal proton transfer takes place. That proton transfer do not takes place in chloral. If you take chloral, why? Hydrogen is locked in hydrogen bonding. So this is called chloral hydrate. So this is called chloral hydrate. Generally we take dilute NaOH. If you take dilute NaOH, this becomes water. Suppose water there, it will take one H plus, this becomes OH. That's why this is called chloral hydrate. Suppose here OH you take, this will be in hydrogen bonding. So what is happening here? Hydrogen is locked in hydrogen bonding, so do not participate in Cannizzaro reaction. This is important question. So chloral do not participate in Cannizzaro reaction. Chloral do not participate in Cannizzaro reaction because chloral hydrate formed after the attack of OH minus intramolecular hydrogen bonding. There H plus locked here, so not available for shift. So no Cannizzaro reaction. This is also one of the important question. Next. Almost all questions we have discussed related to Cannizzaro reaction. Write down. Next one. Suppose acetaldehyde. This question also given in previous years. Acetaldehyde plus formaldehyde excess there, excess are generally 4 moles. What is product he will ask? Okay, product he will ask. Now I will write a product for the acetaldehyde. Here base there, base there, this excess taken, this acetaldehyde taken. What happens? CH3 C double bond OH plus OH minus. Here hydrogen is abstracted by OH minus. It will give CH2 minus C double bond OH. Now this will attack over formaldehyde. Cross aldol condensation taking place. Observe. This is cross aldol condensation reaction. When attacks this O minus double bond, C double bond over there, na, bond migrates here. So what happens? Tell me. I am writing this part as a CH2. CH2 O minus. This O minus, na, then carbon carbon bond formed. CH2 C double bond OH. Then generally in aldol condensation reaction, what happens? Water you take from water, H plus taken by O minus becomes OH. That's why OH written directly. That's why first basic mechanism you practice thoroughly. Then while I am doing fastly, you can understand. In aldol condensation, what happens? Aldol forms, how aldol will be formed? After attack of conjugate base over aldehyde or ketone, aldol forms. First here O minus comes from water, one H plus abstracts, OH comes. Next. Can I write this CH2OH like this? I can write na? CH2OH. Now again OH minus abstracts proton from here. Abstracts, otherwise I will write stepwise, you may confuse. Here O minus there na? H plus OH minus. What happens? CH2 OH. Here C double CH2 C double bond OH. Now OH minus abstracts one more hydrogen from here. Then what happens? CH2OH, CH minus CHO, this CHO. Now excess formaldehyde taken, again aldol condensation takes place. Here bond migrates. What happens? Tell me. This bond here migrates. This part how can I write? CH2 O minus. Next CH, CH2 OH. This CH, CH2 OH there na? Here I have written. Then suppose here I am writing CH, here C double bond OH. That CHO group. CH2O minus, same like this. H plus OH plus, then it takes one H plus. That's why it becomes OH. Now OH minus abstracts. Here also OH minus abstracted proton like that. Here one more proton is abstracted. It becomes C double bond OH. Here C minus. Here CH2OH. Here also CH2OH. Now HC double bond OH taken. Excess taken or not? How many number this? Third mole. 2 moles finished. This is third mole. Okay. Now attacking takes place there. Attacking takes place there. When attack takes place, this bond migrates. Now again that compound CH2O minus, this part CH2O minus written. Now carbon carbon bond formed. So carbon carbon bond formed. When carbon carbon bond formed, here CH2OH, here also CH2OH, here C double bond OH. Then water when you take O minus becomes OH. Okay. Now this compound formed. Suppose up to here, note down. You note down up to here. Now I am erasing. Note down. That compound I am taking here CHO, C, CH2OH, CH2OH, CH2OH. Excess formaldehyde taken means one more formaldehyde I can use in presence of base. What happens, tell me? Which is oxidized, which is reduced, tell me? Trick what? This is Cannizzaro or aldol? Cannizzaro reaction. Why? No alpha hydrogen. Here also no alpha hydrogen. So, just before 3 aldol condensation reactions happened. This product is formed from 3 aldol condensations, cross aldol condensation. Now, reaction between these 2 aldehydes is called Cannizzaro reaction. Here Cannizzaro takes place. So, Cannizzaro reaction takes place. OH minus nucleophile, where will it attack? Carbon having a more positive charge. Here it will attack. Here less positive. And also here there is a steric hindrance. So, it cannot attack OH minus. Trick what I have told? OH minus, that aldehyde on which OH minus attacks, that will be oxidized. So, I will write that product as oxidized product, HC double bond O minus. Suppose NaOH taken means Na comes. Finally, HCl added means it will give HCOOH. Now, that compound reduction product, aldehyde becomes CH2OH na? In reduction, carbon, CH2OH, here also CH2OH, here also CH2OH, here also CH2OH. This is called pentaerythritol. Pentaerythritol we call. In book he will give this structure. Like this, swastik symbol there na, like that it is looking. So, what we have done till now, acetaldehyde plus 4 moles of HCHO take. What is product? He will write excess. 4 moles used. Actually, you have written everything in notes. Check yourself. What is product? This is a product formed here. Okay. Now, suppose he asks question, acetaldehyde plus 3 moles of acetaldehyde given, 3 moles of formaldehyde plus acetaldehyde given. Question, what is product? Before this mole attacked over this, which compound formed? This compound. So, what is answer here? OH, OH, OH here, here CHO. So, these questions he is asking, 2 questions. I have explained you these 2 questions till now. Okay, write down. This is regarding Cannizzaro aldol condensations. Now, Tishenko reaction. Tishenko reaction. Write down. Tishenko reaction involves, suppose if I take acetaldehyde, 2 moles, aluminum triethoxide. Aluminum triethoxide if I take, actually here alpha hydrogen there na, alpha hydrogen there means actually aldol condensation takes place, but here Cannizzaro reaction takes place in presence of this reagent. So, though it have alpha hydrogen, it is undergoing a Cannizzaro reaction. So, Cannizzaro reaction is disproportionation reaction, means redox reaction. One is oxidized, one is reduced. So, here CH3 CH2 OH plus CH3 C double bond OH. Okay, one acid forms, this is oxidized product, this is reduced product. Then water molecule removed, it becomes CH3, CH2, O, C double bond O, CH3. Finally, ester formed. This is Tishenko reaction. Write down. Next, write down, copy it. Next is Tishenko reaction over. Now, Claisen ester condensation. Claisen ester condensation. Write down. So, in Claisen ester condensation, suppose if you take ester which is having alpha hydrogen, this in order to undergo this reaction there must be alpha hydrogen. Suppose here alpha hydrogen there na, plus one more ester in presence of sodium ethoxide. ET means what? Ethyl group. Sodium ethoxide. What happens here? Ethanol removed. When I remove ethanol, what is product? CH3, C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O, ET, OET plus ethanol removed. This is called beta keto ester. This compound is called ester. This functional group here alpha beta, beta keto ester, beta keto ester. Write down. Now for this reaction I will write mechanism. Now suppose if I take CH3, C double bond O, OET, ETO minus, ETO any there na, in that ETO minus, what it will do? It will abstract proton. When it abstracts proton, it will give CH2 minus C double bond O, OET. Then CH3, C double bond O, OET. One more molecule there na, it will attack here, this will go here, this will give what is bond form, tell me? CH3, this part I am writing CO minus, I can write here also na, okay, here there will be clarity, attacked CO minus. Now OET, carbon carbon bond formed, CH2, C double bond O, OET. Okay, this product formed, this intermediate formed. Next, what happens? This negative charge migrates here, this is removed as ETO minus. So what happened? CH3, C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O, OET, beta keto ester formed. Now beta keto ester formed. This beta keto ester, this much Claisen reaction, Claisen ester condensation. Write down, first copy it up to here. But in exam he is giving question like this. Suppose CH3, C double bond O, OET. Now ETO Na, A, B on hydrolysis, then C on heating. What is answer he is asking. So A what, tell me? Up to here we have done. What is that A? A is CH3, C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O, ET. ET means ethyl group. A. Up to here we have done. Now if you do hydrolysis, this, when you do hydrolysis, here breaking takes place, here OH minus, here H plus comes. So this will give CH3, C double bond O, CH2, C double bond OH. This is B. This is what? Beta keto acid. Why? Alpha beta. This is called beta keto acid. Now when you heat beta keto acid, carbon dioxide removed. This is very important point. Carbanion topic also I have taught you this. Beta keto acids, when you heat, carbon dioxide removed. When carbon dioxide removed, hydrogen CH2 group I have written CH3. Acetone formed. This is good conversion, already asked in previous years this question. Write down. Write down. So for Claisen ester condensation, what is the main requirement? There should be alpha hydrogen. There should be alpha hydrogen, otherwise reaction not happens. Suppose in exam if we give question CH3 CH2 COOET, how will this reaction takes place? Alpha carbon you should pick. ETONA he will give an arrow. So alpha carbon you should pick. H CH3, C double bond OET. So ethanol I have removed from alpha carbon. Observe, this is functional group. This is a functional group. Next carbon alpha carbon. So here ETOH removed. Here reagent what? Sodium methoxide. So answer what? CH3 CH2 C double bond CH CH3 C double bond OET. Alpha beta. Beta keto ester only formed. Careful, some students will do with this. They do mistake on identifying alpha beta carbons. So an alpha carbon hydrogen ETO minus removed as ethanol. Okay, this is important question. This also. Hydrolysis, when you do COOH comes, heat CO carbon dioxide removed. Finally CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3 comes, means 3-pentanone comes. Means what I am saying, hydrolysis do. What happens? So CH3 CH2 C double bond CH CH3 C double bond OH. Hydrolysis means what? OH minus H plus. Heat it. Carbon dioxide removed. CH3 CH2 C double bond C carbon dioxide removed na? CH2 CH3. 3-pentanone comes. 3-pentanone comes. Write down. Next question, Claisen-Schmidt condensation. Next, named reaction. Claisen-Schmidt condensation, what happens is aromatic aldehydes. Aromatic aldehydes, this is aldehyde group na, reacts with aldehyde or ketone. Suppose if I take aldehyde having alpha hydrogen, this aldehyde having alpha hydrogen, water removed, this reaction takes place in presence of base, some base OH minus NaOH I can take. So what happens? It is like aldol condensation reaction only. Aldol condensation mechanism only this follows. It will give CH double bond CH CHO. Cinnamaldehyde we call this. Cinnamaldehyde we call this. Okay? It is following aldol mechanism. Aldol mechanism already explained. You can write aldol mechanism to it. Suppose if I take CH double bond O plus acetone, what happens? Water molecule remove alpha hydrogen there na, it will give this compound. Okay, write down. Next, write down. Suppose if you take CH double bond O plus ester also reacts in aldol path C double bond O C2H5. If you take aldol condensation only happens here also, OH minus, what will come? CH double bond CH C double bond O C2H5. This we call ethyl cinnamate. Ethyl cinnamate. Hydrolysis do. Hydrolysis done means OH minus H plus. So what will come here? CH double bond CH COOH plus C2H5 OH forms. C2H5 OH plus this forms. This is called cinnamic acid. If you remove hydrogen, keep C2H5, ethyl cinnamate. Okay, ethyl cinnamate. This is cinnamic acid. Next. So, Claisen-Schmidt reaction of what we have done? Aromatic aldehyde we have taken. Aldehyde, ketone or ester having alpha hydrogen reacted in aldol condensation mechanism. Finally, product formed. Okay. Alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or alpha beta unsaturated ketone or alpha beta unsaturated ester formed. Finally, alpha beta unsaturated acid by hydrolysis I have obtained. Alpha beta unsaturated means what? This point. Okay. Next. Next one is, this is a previous year AAPMT question. Question is C2H5O Na. What is product asked? What is product asked? Okay, this is following aldol condensation mechanism. So, answer what? C double bond C double bond O CH3. Here C2H5O minus Na plus there na. Here it acts as base, abstracts hydrogen, carbanion formed. It will attack over another compound, 2 moles if you take. Aldol condensation mechanism. Instead of OH minus, he had used C2H5O minus. Then he had followed aldol condensation steps. Aldol condensation mechanism you know. I am directly doing. C double bond O, like this. If I write water molecule, if I remove, product is CH3 double bond CH C double bond O, this product comes. This question AAPMT 2009 or 10, 2010 or 9 somewhere asked this question. So what aldol condensation step, what OH minus there, abstract proton means carbanion forms that will attack over this carbon. Then aldol forms. Then water molecule remove. Finally, alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or ketone forms. Like that mechanism. Here instead of OH minus, C2H5O minus is acting as base. Okay. Next. Next one is Perkin condensation. Perkin condensation. Perkin condensation involves aromatic aldehydes. Suppose if I take benzaldehyde plus acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride you know na, C double bond O C double bond O CH3. In presence of acetate, sodium acetate. Whatever anhydride you are taking, that respective carboxylate ion only you should take. Acetic anhydride taken, that's why sodium acetate taken. Remove water molecule. This is what alpha carbon, alpha hydrogen, alpha position reaction taking place. Now what happens? CH double bond, CH, C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3 forms. Now do hydrolysis. When you do hydrolysis, what happens? Tell me. Here cleavage takes place. Here H plus comes, here OH minus comes. Okay? Here H plus comes, here OH minus comes. Why OH minus attacking this carbon, not this carbon? Because here partial positive charge more, here partial positive charge less. Why here partial positive charge less? Here resonance there. Resonance decreasing partial positive charge over this carbon. That's why OH minus attacking over this carbon rather than this carbon. Instead of this, I can also break like this na. OH minus H plus I can write, but I should not write like that because here partial positive charge less. So cleavage takes place. Here only OH minus will attack here. So product what will be formed? Tell me. Benzene, CH double bond CH, CH double bond CH, C double bond one of this, C double bond OH plus this compound what? CH3, C double bond OH. CH3, C double bond OH. So this is what cinnamic acid. Cinnamic acid formed. Okay, Perkin condensation. This write down. Now, what are the questions asked over Perkin condensation? Perkin condensation questions write down. Suppose if I take CHO, if you give question CH3CO twice O, CH3COO Na, in exam he will give question like this. Actually this is, or he will give like this also, AC2O. Last just before few minutes back we have done that question only. Acetic anhydride only I have written with the long structure. So answer what? CH double bond CH COOH. This is one question. Next, so he will give this type, or instead of giving like this, he will give like that also. Either he will give these two combination or that two, both same actually. Acetic anhydride, sodium acetate. This is also sodium acetate. Okay. So final product is that one. Next, CHOOH. First step. Suppose CH3CO twice O. Here CH3COONA given. So what is formed? Tell me. This will react here. It will give CH double bond CH, C double bond OH. Here OH there. Okay, next step. Suppose here H plus given, means esterification reaction. Water molecule removed. Water molecule removed means how many membered ring form? Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4 membered ring forms. So write down 4 membered ring. 1, wait. Here started. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 membered ring. here double bond there, 1 2 3 4 5 membered ring form, sorry. Now count 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 membered ring formed finally. Sorry, I have done mistake. So finally how many membered ring formed? 6 membered ring. Or a C double bond over there. I can show with open chain also. Some students may confuse. CH double bond CH, C double bond over here oxygen there na, like this. How many membered ring? This 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, like that. Write down. Next question. Next question, write down. Suppose if we give question AC2O ACO Na. So what is answer first? CHO group, Perkin reaction reagent this. So it will give CH double bond CH, C double bond OH. Here NO2 there. If we give FeSO4, next reagent is FeSO4. FeSO4 given means it will reduce NO2 to NH2. That is a special reagent for converting NO2 to NH2. Till now not came. Now you can remember C double bond OH, here NH2. Now when you H plus in presence of acid, some acid heat it, what happens? NH2 I am writing like this, remove water molecule. Now how many membered ring forms? 1 2 3 4 5 6 membered ring. Before OH there, now NH2 group there. So answer what? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now here NH there, here C double bond over there, here bond there. Before here oxygen there, C double bond over there, C double bond C there. Now this ring formed. Okay, this is one type of conversion. Write down. Next. Next one is, suppose if you take benzaldehyde AC2O ACO Na taken. So what happens? Conversion given is, this is Perkin reaction, CH double bond CH, C double bond OH. Next here A given, he. Now here he had given H2 palladium given. Now H2 palladium means reducing agent na. Which position it will reduce? It cannot reduce carboxylic acid. Already thought in alcohol phenol chapter. It can reduce only double bond. So it will give CH2, then C double bond OH comes. Now if you add thionyl chloride, next chapter coming this reaction, thionyl chloride added means OH group replaced by Cl. It will give CH2, C double bond Cl. Now AlCl3 he will give. This is first year AlCl3 there means Friedel-Crafts acylation takes place now. Friedel-Crafts acylation takes place. Here HCl removed. HCl removed means what happens? CH2, C double bond forms here. Finally this ring came. Okay, this is one type of conversion. So what I have done up to here, Perkin reaction, then reduction. This group not reduced, here reduction taken place. then thionyl chloride added, OH replaced by chlorine, then AlCl3 presence, HCl is removed. This is a electrophilic substitution reaction of Friedel-Crafts acylation we call. Finally, this product formed. Okay, next. This is regarding Perkin reaction. Write down. Next reaction, Knoevenagel condensation. Knoevenagel condensation. In Knoevenagel condensation, carbonyl compounds, aldehydes or ketones. Suppose if I take CH3, CHO, this I am writing like this, or ketone also I can take, plus CH2, C double bond O, OET, compounds containing active methylene group. This is compound containing active methylene group. Active methylene group means present between two electron withdrawing groups. So, if I take like this, in presence of pyridine or piperidine, okay, piperidine means this one, pyridine already you know, piperidine or pyridine, what happens, water molecule removed, it will give CH3, CH, this is CH, double bond C, C double bond O, OET, C double bond O, OET. On hydrolysis gives OH, H plus, here also H plus, OH minus. So, it will give CH3, CH double bond C, C double bond O, OH, C double bond O, OH. Heat it. When you heat, when there are two COOH groups on single carbon, one carbon dioxide molecule is removed. Next chapter is going to come this point. It will give CH3, CH double bond CH, CH3, CH double bond CH, COOH. This is called crotonic acid. Crotonaldehyde formula what here CHO will be there. This is crotonic acid. Write down. Write down. Next, this is Knoevenagel condensation. So, what Knoevenagel condensation? Carbonyl compound, aldehyde or ketone he will give, compound having active methylene group. This is active methylene group he will give. So, on active methylene group, hydrogen and oxygen removed as water molecule. Finally, hydrolysis gives this compound, heated means finally crotonic acid comes. Next, next reaction, Reformatsky reaction. Reformatsky reaction involves aldehydes or ketones react with this type of compounds, alpha bromo ester, in presence of zinc, second step NH4Cl, product I will write here, product is write down CH3 COH, CH2 C double bond O, OET comes, beta hydroxy ester formed. This is what? Beta hydroxy ester. This is alpha bromo ester. Now observe this reaction, how it is taking place. First CH2 Br, C double bond O, OET reacts with zinc, it will give CH2 ZnBr, like Grignard reagent. This reaction I am showing, OET. Grignard reagent also like this I have shown in alcohol chapter, and in alkyl halide chapter also I have shown. Now this I can break like this is metal na, Zn plus CH2 minus, I can break like this. So it reacts with CH3 C double bond O H. CH2 minus part there na, here CH2 minus part attacks here. When it attacks there, what happens? Tell me. CH3 CO minus, here hydrogen there, this part. CH3 CO minus hydrogen, carbon bond formed, means CH2 C double bond O OET formed. This one. O minus ZnBr forms OZnBr. Then when you add NH4Cl, NH4Cl means it gives NH4 plus Cl minus. NH4 plus you can remove as NH3 plus H plus. Okay, NH3 plus H plus. So NH4Cl, in presence of NH4Cl, here breaking takes place, H plus added here, finally this beta hydroxy ester formed. Okay. So NH4 plus Cl minus, here NH3 removed, Zn Br Cl removed. Here NH3 there, H plus there na, H plus added to O minus, here O minus Zn plus OH formed, Zn plus Cl minus, Zn Br Cl to ammonia gas evolved outside. Or otherwise hydrolysis, SDK hydrolysis also I can do, like Grignard reagent. SDK hydrolysis means H plus here comes, OH minus here comes, like that also I can do. This is Reformatsky reaction mechanism. Okay, write down. Next, some more questions related to Reformatsky reaction, write down. Reformatsky reaction, he can give question like this also. Suppose R C double bond O H plus Br CH2 Cn, like this also he will give. On arrow he had given Zn C6H6 H3O plus, he had given like this. So what will you do? This will form Zn Br CH2 minus Cn. Then this will attack here. Zn Br added there. Hydrolysis, H3O plus do hydrolysis, O Zn Br. Or I will write here. O Zn Br forms here H, here CH2, Cn forms H2O H plus. This H3O plus means that will hydrolysis, it will do hydrolysis over there. Here OH comes, here CH2 Cn. Okay, then here Zn OH Br removed as Y H plus OH minus living group. So this compound produced. Write down. One more question. One more question I can write is, suppose if I take R C double bond O H plus Br CH2 C double bond O N CH3 vice, amide given. All these are Reformatsky reactions only. So what happens here? Zinc benzene given, solvent benzene. Here H3O plus given. Same like that. In place of cyanide, he had given this group. So answer directly writing now. R CH OH CH2 C double bond O N CH3 twice. Zn OH Br removed as living group. Okay, next. All these questions looking like which similar to Grignard reagent. Suppose if I take CH3 C triple bond N plus Br CH2 C double bond O OET in presence of Zn C6H6 hydrolysis asked. What will you do? Tell me. What will you do? First form bromo zinc bromine related compound, this compound, then plus minus, so it will attack here, bond migrates, CH3 C double bond N, here CH2, I will write like this, I can write like that also, but still easy way to represent on board I will follow. N here CH2 C double bond O OET. Here N minus came na, Zn plus Br here added. Okay. Now hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means what? H2O H plus means what happens? Tell me. Already this type of reaction we have studied, nitriles in aldehydes and ketone preparation. Here OH minus, 2 bonds there, that's why 2 OH minus, here H plus, H plus. What happens? Tell me. CH3 C OH OH CH2 C double bond O OET plus NH2 Zn Br. Then water molecule removed. When water molecule removed, CH3 C double bond O CH2 C double bond O OET formed. This is one more question over refer maths. I have explained you 4 or 5 questions. Any type of question asked over refer maths ki. Write down. Next. Next reaction is benzoin condensation. Benzoin condensation. Benzoin condensation involves aromatic aldehydes in presence of KCN. Product he will ask. First I will write mechanism observe. So if I take, sometimes he will write this ring pH also. Okay, so instead of writing benzene ring, I am saving my energy. Okay, pH I am writing C double bond O H, my energy I am saving. Cn minus taken, Cn minus attacks here. What happens? pH C bond migrates here, Cn comes here, H. When this migrates here, hydride shift takes place here. Hydride shift takes place here, this will give pH C OH. Wait 1 minute. Here what happened? O minus formed, here H, Cn, here hydrogen. Here negative charge, then a proton shift takes place, not hydride. pH C OH, here negative charge, here cyanide. Then one more benzaldehyde there na, this negative charge will attack here. So what happens? What happens? Tell me. pH C O minus, here H. When this negative charge attacked over this carbon, O minus formed, carbon bond formed, carbon bond formed. Then I can write here OH there na, I am writing here OH. OH I have written here. On this carbon cyanide group there na, I have written here pH there, this. Okay, then it will take this proton, O minus will abstract that proton, copy it. When it abstracts proton, it will give pH, CH, here OH, CO minus, Cn, here pH comes. Then this negative charge migrates there, Cn is removed as Cn minus, finally it will give pH, CH, OH, C double bond over pH. Okay, this compound is produced. This is benzoin, we call this a common name, nickname, benzoin. pH plus you can write benzene ring also. Okay, write down. Last year your 12th class outgoing friends, this question given, which of the following give benzoin condensation? Question options given are benzaldehyde, CH2CHO, NO2, CH3. Question is, which of the following not gives benzoin condensation? Which of the following not gives benzoin condensation? Answer is B. Key point what? CHO group should be directly attached to benzene ring. Remaining all will give benzoin condensation. This do not give because CHO group not directly attached to benzene. Okay, this is regarding benzoin condensation. Next, next one is benzoin condensation over Reformatsky, Novengelo, Kleinjana. Wittig reaction, write down. Wittig reaction. Wittig reaction means aldehydes are ketones. Suppose if I take aldehyde, reacts with PH3 double bond C R dash, or sometimes hydrogens also will be there based on question. So what happens? It will give RCH double bond C R dash plus this part formed as triphenyl phosphoxide PH3 double bond means P double bond phenyl group, phenyl group, phenyl group. Okay, this type of questions you will ask. For example, acetone I take, here aldehyde taken, now I am taking acetone plus PH3P double bond CH. What is reaction? CH3 CH3 double bond, this part attached to there CH plus PH3 P double bond O. Suppose if question I can give like this also, write down, copy this first. Suppose if we give question C double bond O PH3 P CH3 CH2 CH3, what will you do? You can write double bond C CH3 CH2 CH3. Will it show geometrical isomerism? No. Why? This side both same, that side though different, here same na, so that will not show geometrical isomerism. That type of questions also he will ask. For example, CH3 CH double bond O plus PH thrice pH thrice P double bond C, CH3 H taken. What will it give? CH3 C hydrogen double bond C CH3 H. Cis I can write, na trans also I can write. So trans product also I can write. So if possible geometrical isomerism shows, if not possible it do not show. You know how to identify geometrical isomerism. This is regarding Wittig reaction. Next. Next, write down. So almost all Németh reactions we have covered. Reformatsky, benzoin, Novengel, Perkin. Still any there? I will check. Aldol, Perkin, Alvorn. Benzoin, Tishenko, Reformatsky, all covered. Claisen-Smith, okay, covered. Now write down. Now some miscellaneous reactions I will write. Suppose formaldehyde. Formaldehyde means CH2O. 3 moles take. At room temperature, if you take formaldehyde, it will give. How I am drawing structure, observe. First ring I have written, here oxygens I have kept. Here CH2 groups there. This is called trioxane, or we can call meta formaldehyde. Write down meta formaldehyde. Next, n moles of formaldehyde means formalin. Actually this formalin means 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde. 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde is called formalin. At 100 degrees, if you heat it, what happens? It will give CH2ON, polymer it will give. This is called para-formaldehyde. Para-formaldehyde, write down. Next, write down. Next, 3 moles of acetaldehyde. 3 moles of acetaldehyde in presence of H2SO4, room temperature. If I make to stand, what happens is, here also same like before I have written. Now extra what I have added is 3 CH3 groups I have added. Now 4 moles of acetaldehyde if I take, 4 moles of acetaldehyde if I take in presence of H2SO4, 0 degrees Celsius. What I am doing on board, you also do like that. First I have written one square, oxygens keep oxygens, CH3 groups, write down. This is a cyclic tetramer, that is a trimer. Cyclic tetramer, it is called metaldehyde. This is called paraldehyde or para-acetaldehyde. Paraldehyde, metaldehyde or meta-acetaldehyde. Next, now acetone. If I take acetone, Now if I take acetone plus one more molecule of acetone also take, what happens if I remove water molecule? This takes place in branes of dry HCl. It will give CH3, C double bond C, CH, C double bond O, CH3. Alpha beta unsaturated ketone this. Okay, this is called mesitile oxide. Already thought na? Mesitile oxide. Now this is acid catalyzed aldol condensation. This is aldol condensation product taking place in presence of acid. So we call this acid catalyzed aldol condensation. Write down. Next. Three moles of acetone if I take. Three moles of acetone if I use water molecules I can remove like this. In presence of dry HCl, it will give CH3, C, CH3, double bond CH, C double bond O, CH, double bond C, CH3, CH3. This we call 4-on. IUPAC name you can write 4-on. Common name is 4-on, popular. In presence of dry HCl, write down. Next. Next, suppose 3 molecules of acetone if I take, 3 moles of acetone in presence of concentric H2SO4 taken. Just till before I have taken HCl, now concentric H2SO4 taking place. Mesitylene comes, this is called mesitylene. Here which groups there? Methyl groups there. This we call mesitylene. Now this reaction takes place like this. Okay, 3 moles of acetone I have written. Now what I am doing? Removing water molecule. Here also removing water molecule. Here also removing this H2 I can write here. Removing water molecule. So what happened? C double bond C formed. Here also C double bond C formed. C double bond C formed. C double bond C formed. Mesitylene comes. Otherwise you directly remember. Okay, 3 moles of here acetone. 3 moles of acetone in presence of dry HCl, 4-on comes. Okay, like that. Next. Next one is mesitylene over. Next, reactions of aromatic aldehydes. Benzaldehyde if you take. So benzaldehyde, resonance structures, what tell me? Benzaldehyde resonating structures are, I can write positive, then I can migrate here. Then this bond migrate. Where I have done mistake, tell me. When this bond migrated, I have forgot to write this bond. Now when this bond migrated, double bond come here, negative charge here migrated, this bond migrates. So this will give C double bond OH. These are resonating structures of benzaldehyde. In place of hydrogen, if you keep CH3 group, acetophenone resonating structures also resembling same like that. You try in your home. Hydrogen remove in all, keep CH3 group, that is acetophenone, same resonating structures will come. Now what you have observed? Positive charge present over ortho and para positions. Means compared to ortho and para positions, meta position is relatively have more electron density. It no increase in electron density due to presence of positive charge compared to there, here negative charge is more. So electrophile attacks over which position? Meta position. That's why benzaldehyde acetophenone reaction takes place at meta position. Comparatively, ortho and para positions, meta position relatively electron density looking more. That is not coming from any outside. Electron density not accumulated from outside. Because of decrease at ortho and para position, here it is looking like there is more electron density. So that's why electrophile attacks over meta positions. So whatever products come, that all are meta substituted products comes here. Why I am stressing that word, one question given like that. I forgot to bring it. Such type of question you need to solve based on that point. Now halogenation. Halogenation reaction of benzaldehyde acetophenone. Suppose benzaldehyde taken plus chlorine in presence of AlCl3 or FeCl3, FeBr3. Here electrophile what? Cl plus. Electrophile, where will it remove hydrogen? Here. Meta position will attack takes place. So reaction takes place. This metachlorobenzaldehyde formed plus HCl. Then nitration. Nitration means HNO3, H2SO4 I will take. Here NO2 plus is electrophile. Meta position hydrogen replaced. CHO NO2 plus water. Here OH plus is removed from here. OH plus comes from HNO3. Both form water. This is nitration. Nitration. You can write for acetophenone also reaction. You can write HNO3 H2SO4 nitration mixture. What is product here? Here product is metanitro-acetophenone. Here also you can write metanitro. Suppose if I take COCH3 Cl2 AlCl3, product what? COCH3 comes here, chlorine comes here, metachloroacetophenone. Okay. Next, sulfonation. Sulfonation, write down. Sulfonation of benzaldehyde. Sulfonation of acetophenone. H2SO4 or in exam he will give SO3 also. H2SO4 or SO3 he will give. So what is answer here? Here CHO SO3H. Okay, this compound. What is the name of this compound? 3-formyl benzene sulfonic acid. 3-formyl benzene. Main functional group what? this group sulfonic acid. Here product what? C double bond OCH3 comes here. Here SO3H. Okay, this compound formed. Write down sulfonation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation, acylation not takes place over benzaldehyde or acetophenone because electron withdrawing group present. Friedel-Crafts alkylation acylation not takes place. That's why I have not written. Okay, write down. Next, physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. Physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. Physical state. Physical state is starting compounds are existing as gases, liquids. Suppose acetone, if you take liquid, like that. Starting compounds of the aldehydes and ketones up to 4 carbons exist as gas and liquid, mostly liquids. Other than 4, when a number of carbon atoms increases, what happens? The solid formation takes place. Now, boiling point, that not much important. Boiling point important. Boiling point. These aldehydes and ketones have more boiling point than respective hydrocarbons, ethers. I can write like this: hydrocarbons, ethers, carbonyl compounds, still more ways aldehydes, then ketones, both together actually, alcohols, carboxylic acids. If I take this, aldehydes and ketones have more boiling point than ethers and hydrocarbons of comparable molecular masses. Means almost nearly same molecular mass. If you take these compounds, these have more boiling point. Among aldehydes and ketones, ketones have more boiling point compared to aldehydes and ketones, both alcohols, carboxylic acids. Now I will explain. Aldehydes, ketones, if you take CH3 R C double bond O H R C double bond O R H R. So here delta plus delta minus, here delta plus delta minus, here also C double bond O R H R, delta plus delta minus. What happens here? Attractions there between these dipoles, dipole attractions there here, dipole attractions there. So here also dipole attractions there. Like that I can write so many compounds, I can show dipole attractions. Due to these strong dipole attractions, aldehydes and ketones both have more boiling point than ethers and hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are non-polar in nature. Here also dipole attraction there, but these dipole attractions are weaker than these. Why here dipole attractions? Ethers CH3 CH2 O CH2 CH3, delta plus delta minus here also created. Okay, compared to here strong. Next, that's why these have more boiling point than ethers and hydrocarbons. Whereas compared to aldehydes and ketones, alcohols have more boiling point. Reason what? In alcohol there is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Carboxylic acids, there is a tendency of formation of dimer. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding, dimer forms. So compared to alcohols, carboxylic acids have more boiling points. Okay, like that I can explain. Aldehydes, ketones attractions are more dominant than here. That's why compared to ethers here more boiling point. So order this one. Okay, why alcohols having more boiling point than aldehydes and ketones? Because here hydrogen bonding there. Next, Write down this. Suppose if I give you a question like this, write down question. Suppose CH3, CH2, 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 OH. CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. Then CH3, CH2, OCH2, CH3. Then CH3, CH2. These have comparable molar masses. You can count later. Molar mass you can calculate na 12, 15, like that, 27, 39, 39, 41, 51, 57, like that you can calculate, no problem, you know. Now among these, which is having more boiling point? Alcohol, because here hydrogen bonding there. Then aldehyde, next ether, last hydrocarbons means alkanes. Okay, like that. Solubility, lower one more point in boiling point is, suppose aldehydes and ketones if you take CH3 C double bond OH, CH3 C double bond O CH3 if you take, which is having more boiling point? Ketones have more boiling point than aldehydes, because here there are electron donating groups. Electron donating groups increase polarity of CO bond. These electron donating groups, their polarity is increased. Polarity increased means dipole moment increases. Okay, dipole moment, suppose nu to mu1. Here only one electron releasing group, here two electron releasing groups. They push electrons, increase electron density. So dipole moment increases. Due to increase in dipole moment, polarity more. Polarity causes strong attractions. Strong attractions causes high boiling point. So ketones have more boiling point than aldehydes. This is also important point. With a few points, last 2 points I will complete this chapter. CH3, CH2 OH, CH3 CHO, CH3 O CH3, and then CH3 CH2 CH3. Among these, arranged in decreasing order of their boiling points. Alcohol, aldehyde, ether, hydrocarbon. They are comparable molar mass. So I can arrange like that. Okay. Next. Write down. Solubility. Lower aldehydes and ketones are soluble in water. Why? Because they can form hydrogen bonding. Here delta minus there na. They can form hydrogen bonding with water molecules. So lower aldehydes and ketones are soluble in water. But higher aldehydes and ketones, because of increase in size of water hating group, that is alkyl group, their solubility decreases when chain increases. This is regarding physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. Tomorrow we will discuss carboxylic acids. Thank you.